Hi guys, we're back. In case you are new to our channel, I'm Lawrence Villaverde.
I'm Cyril Luciano, and we are property specialists of MegaWorld at the Fort.
And for today's video, we will be featuring in our vlog our very first newly renovated unit at Uptown Arts Residence. So this one is a studio with balcony, 41.5 square meters. And again guys, this unit is not for sale. This is for our clients' personal use. So, are you guys ready to see the unit? Are you ready, Miss Hai?
Yes.
Let's go!
Hi guys! Welcome to the studio unit of Uptown Arts Residence. Let's go! Ayan. So before we start, we would like to thank our valued clients, Mr. and Mrs. G, for allowing us to feature their unit in our vlog. And we would also like to thank again Sir Yuzon for assisting our clients. So si Sir Yuzon yung nag-design ng unit na to. And yun. So thank you so much Sir Yuzon and Mr. and Mrs. G for allowing us. So let's start. So this one, painting ba siya? Okay. So this one, it's not a painting, pero nilagay to ni Sir Yuzon to cover yung panel board. So let's check if tama. Uy! Ay. Oo nga, tama. Ang galing. Wow. Ayan. So, yung mga gawa ni Sir Yuzon, usually ayaw niya ng mga eyesore. So, nagagawa niya ng paraan yun. So, ayan, nilagyan niya ng ganito, parang painting. And then, pinalitan din niya yung wall. Inangat niya siya ng konti. Tapos, ito yan. Wall and glass, mirror, fluted panel. So, by the way, guys, yung theme pala or yung theme na or concept ng unit na to, it's modern contemporary. So, etong mga yung flooring, hindi na siya pinalitan. As is na to kung ano yung tinurn over ni MegaWorld. Same with the digital lock. So, in this side, we have a mini corner. Let's check. Ay! Wow! Ang galing! Andito yung microwave! Ayan. So, since hindi na pinagalaw ni client or wala nang renovation na ginawa dun sa kitchen, dito na lang niya nilagay. Wow! Ganda. Tapos may glass din or may mirror. And then yung video intercom, andito siya sa loob. So, ayan. Tapos lagayan ng mga keys. So, lahat na to, whatever you see ngayon dito sa unit, si Sir Yuzon na yung nag-provide or nagdala dito. So, our clients are not here in the Philippines. Another pala guys, so even you're not here, we can assist you naman if you want to renovate your unit. Same with our clients na wala sila dito. So, we just sent photos or si Sir Yuzon mismo yung nag-update sa kanila kung ano nang progress ng unit. So, our clients or yung owner na to, hindi pa nila to nakikita in person. So, kami pa naunang dalawa ni Lawrence. So, thank you so much, ma'am, sir. So, this one, you can convert this to siguro shoe cabinet. Ayan. Ang ganda. So, dito tayo sa kitchen area. Naglagay lang siya ng arc para magkaroon ng parang softness yung unit. And then, eto, yung kitchen area, lahat nung andito, eto na yung deliverables na binigay ni MegaWorld upon turnover. So, even ito, yung countertop, range hood, cabinets, hindi na siya pinabago ni client, even the fridge. So, ang inad lang dito ni Sir Yuzon is yung painting. Sarili niyang painting to ni Sir Yuzon. So, ayan, meron siya. Yuzon 25. Wow! Ang galing. So, ayan. And then, nag-repaint lang siguro sila dito. Even the tiles, as is to, yung kasama kay MegaWorld. So, wag nyo na din ipabago, guys, if ever na magpaparenovate kayo dito sa Uptown Arts. Kasi, sayang, mahal din yung mga ganito. So, hindi na kailangan bawasan or ibahin. Wow, ganda! So, now, let's go naman dito sa dining area. So, this one, 2-seater dining table siya and ang luwag din niya. Imagine, it's a round table and then may enough space pa rin para makalakad tayo. So, dito may fluted lang din. Tapos ang luwag pa, oh. Lumag pa niya. Wow, talaga nag-ano. And then, ang ganda ng pendant light. Ang gusto namin din kay Sir Yuzon is that siya na bahala sa lahat. As in, stress-free na. Alam na niya kung ano yung bagay. Ganyan. So, ano yung hindi. So, siya na lahat magde-decide. Siya na lahat. Kaya na niyang gawin lahat. So, now let's go naman dito sa toilet and bath. So, dito, wala na din masyadong binago si Sir Yuzon or si client. Ang binago na lang niya dito or inad is itong mirror with medicine cabinet. Ayan. Sobrang helpful na to. Ang dami niyong malalagay na gamit dyan. And then, nag-add na lang din si Sir Yuzon ng glass enclosure. Pero aside from that, lahat na to, even yung tiles sa wall, etong shower, it's all included na pag binili nyo yung unit from Mega World. So, actual deliverable na siya. Even itong tiles. So, hindi yan pina-add ni client. And then, dito may washing area. So, Lore, pasok tayo dito, Lore. Ayan. So, that's the washing area. So, sobrang sikip. Ayan. So, this is the laundry area. And then, may extra storage din for mga other things nyo. So, ayan. So, now, tas yan, ginawa niyang mirror. So, ayan. So, nirepaint din to ni Sir Yuzon. Ginawa niyang white from dark brown last time. And there's a painting or artwork, I think. Pero hindi si Sir Yuzon ang gumawa na to kasi walang name niya. So, ayan. So, originally, hanggang dito lang yung wall niya talaga. So, si Sir Yuzon, in-extend niya to. In-extend niya. And, dito tayo. So, this is the bedroom area. Wow. So, this one, it's one of the parang biggest studio units that we have here in Uptown. It's 41.5 square meters. So, this bed, it's a queen-size bed. Ang luwag. It's a queen-size bed. And then, sa likod niya, puro storage. As in, puro storage. So, isa sa favorite namin dito din is etong cabinet. Ay, ayaw ma-open. Ayan. Very nice. Kasi dun sa studio unit ko, di ba dito yung bukasan niya. So, hindi ko nagagamit. So, dito, maluwag. Tignan nyo guys. Silipin nyo. Lord. Ayan. Parang may matatago kang nilalang dito. So, ayan. So, pag may mga kailangan kayo or let's say extra mattress, yung mga default, pwede siya dito. Ang daming storage. It's just a studio, 41.5, pero sobrang daming storage. So, yung cabinet niya, andito na. Hindi na siya pinalitan ni Sir Yuzon. Nirelaminate na lang to. So, madami. If you notice din, ang dami niyang mirrors, ang dami niyang storage. So, nagamit talagang mabuti na-utilize mabuti yung unit. So, this is the cabinet. Yan, isa dito, tapos meron pa dito sa side. Wow! And then, we also have vanity area dito or vanity mirror. Or pwede mo din itong gawing office table pag kailangan mo ng, let's say, work from home. And then, ay, wow, dami ng paper bag. Ay, wow. Ang galing. Dami. Check nga natin, guys. Kasi para siyang, pwede mo siyang gawing office table talaga. Ang dami. Wow. So, ang dami. Oh, punong-puno siya, guys. So, may side table pa. And then, para siyang hotel size din. Kasi meron pa siyang sofa. Look. And then, take note, guys. This sofa, it's a sofa bed. So, pagka pinrepair mo siya para maging bed, queen size yung size niya. So, malaki. So, it can accommodate, this studio unit alone can accommodate 4 packs. So, dalawa doon, dalawa dito. And then, eto yung parang entertainment area, yung television, and dami niyang Ma'am J, Sir R, naglagay ka lang kami mga gamit namin. Hindi kita. So, ayan. Pero ang luwag. This is a wallpaper din. Tapos, ito, lahat na to are all storage hanggang dito sa side. So, walang nasayang na space. So, matatago mo talaga lahat ng mga kalat-kalat mo or yung mga bagay na hindi kailangan makita pero kailangan natin. So, andyan, nakalagay siya lahat. So, even yung mga vases na to, yung mga decors, lahat na to si Sir Yuzon na yung naglagay. So, ayan, ang ganda. Even the curtains. So, sheer and then yung blackout curtains nila, si Sir Yuzon na yan lahat. And, dito lang tayo sa side. Ang ganda, oh. Ang luwag, guys, di ba? Ang luwag niya for a 41 square meters, 41.5 na studio. Ang galing. So, yung split-type aircon pala, kasama na din yon na dineliver ni Megaworld. So, hindi na siya in-install ni Sir Yuzon. Sobrang ibang-iba yung itsura niya pag na-renovate talaga. If you wanna check kung ano yung itsura or ano yung unit na to, meron kaming vlog before. It's vlog 93. Different studio lang yun. Different studio type lang dito sa Uptown Arts. But that's the same deliverables kung paano siya ita-turn over ni Megaworld. So if you want na i-compare lang, vlog 93 versus itong vlog na to, para makita nyo yung difference kung ano yung before and after niya. So, labas tayo because this unit has its own balcony. Let's go! Taas! Tuso tayo! So now we're here in the balcony. So this balcony, it's around 5 square meters. This is also the location nung compressor ng aircon. So andito siya. So you can still put a coffee table or coffee or chair dito sa side. Ayan, ang ganda. So this one is located on the 25th floor. So ito yung magiging view nyo from this unit. Wow! It's facing the Makati skyline dito. This is the Ortigas naman, Pasig, and Antipolo Mountains, andun siya. Wow! Galing! So, by the way, guys, i-add ko na din dito sa vlog natin. We have a newly launched pre-selling condo here in Uptown Bonifacio, the Uptown Modern. So, it's just beside this one. So, ayan siya. So, that's the current development. So, nag-excavate na sila. So, that's the pre-selling. So, if you're not in a hurry to use the unit, you can check out our Uptown Modern that is payable for 6 years. And you can start your monthly amortization for like 16,000 per month. So, dyan siya located. So, balik tayo dito. Ayan. So, let's go back. Ayan. So, that's it, guys. That's our vlog for this renovated studio unit. This is the first vlog na nag-feature kami ng renovated unit here in Uptown Arts Residence. So, if you wanna know more about this condo, we still have available units here in Uptown Arts Residence. Or if you're not in a hurry, like what I mentioned earlier, you can inquire as well, or you might be interested with our pre-selling condo that will be ready by June 2031. It's payable, it's no down payment, 16,000 per month, 0 interest, and dun lang siya, as in sa tapat lang siya mismo, and we're still offering the introductory price. So again, guys, thank you so much for watching our vlog and always supporting our vlog. Nababasa namin yung mga comments nyo, and we really love how gaano kayo ka-interested din sa mga properties namin. So thank you so much. We're so grateful to you guys. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!